Alright, the Edgewater resorts that I stayed at are the red top buildings behind these high rises. The building I stayed at gave me 5 wristbands, allowed me access to the swimming pool and the beach. Around the swimming pool there's 4 hot tubs. They're very nice to relax. You can access this via that sky bridge, so you don't have to wait to cross traffic. On the perimeter of the resort you have a par 3 9-hole golf course. It's very difficult. All your greens, or most of your greens, are surrounded by water. The property has multiple tennis racket courts, convention center, and a handful of smaller pools that are available to a select few units, so they're not so crowded. Here across the street from the entry gate, this big white building. Inside there's a roller skating rink, bowling alley, a pretty sweet arcade, a grill you can get some grub at, and a bar that you can have some drinks while the little kids play. You're pretty close to everything. You're minutes from the beach. You're in the heart of downtown Panama City Beach. You can go surf fishing, and just tons of things to do while you're down here. So, alright, stick around. After we're done looking at the beach, I'll show you the inside of Unit 115, a 2-bed, 3-bath condo that can comfortably sleep 6 people. As soon as you come in, a nice hallway leading to the living area. To the left you got standard bathroom. Coming down you got a kitchen. It's a pretty nice kitchen. Which leads into the dining room and the living room. Even has cable TV, Wi-Fi. Pretty nice view of the pond, or I guess a lake, whatever you want to call it. Alright, stairs are a little squeaky. Coming on up in this back room, you got 2 full-size beds. Perfect place to sleep for the kids. Got a closet. Over here you got a 3-piece bathroom. And down the hall on the other side you got the master suite. There's a king-size bed. A better view of the pond, or the lake, whatever you want to call it.